In this video, let's talk about how to fix Uber account disabled. If your account of Uber has been disabled, there are a few things that you can try out in order to again re-enable it. The first thing that you can do is check for the reason. So whenever your account of Uber is actually disabled, you can tap and open the Uber account, and you'll be able to see the exact reason being displayed. If the reason is not available within the app, you can also head over to the email address and check if an email has been sent. Now, in some cases, it might only be a technical glitch or a soft lock. So in this case, what you can try out is, if you're currently connected to a VPN, make sure you disconnect and try to see if this fixes the issue. If not, you can also try to clear out the data of the Uber app. So just tap and hold the app of Uber, head over to this eye icon, scroll down, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear data option. This ensures that any sort of temporary glitches will be cleared out, and also your account will be reinstalled, so you'll need to log in back. Check if these solutions of temporary glitches work out and your issue is fixed. However, if your issue is still not fixed, then what you need to do in this case is contact the Uber support team. So search for Uber rider account help, and then you'll be able to enter this website so that you can formally contact the Uber support team, as well as fill out the form to exactly mention the issue that you're having. So that's pretty much all on how you do it. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.